there. I know it's a slower time of year, right? It's summer, so you maybe don't have as many events on the books as you would ideally like to have. So, what do you do with all that downtime? Let me share a few tips and tricks of ways that you can use this extra hours that you have that you're not maybe planning weddings that are happening right around the corner. First and foremost is you can use one of the scheduling tools out there to schedule out your social media, meaning take all those pictures, capture all those images, and get the plan made and posted. You can use an app like later.com or Planoly, or even write in the Facebook business account. You can schedule your Instagram post and your Facebook posts right in there. You know fall's coming and you're not going to have the time, so you might as well sit down and get at least 3 posts a week scheduled out, plan it out as far in advance. Now's a really good time to take a look at your packages. I know sometimes the end of the year comes and it's like, oh, I want to refresh for next year. But guess what? You don't always have the time because it's a busy season at the end of the year. Slammed wedding season, holiday party season, the venues are busy. Now is the time to look at revamping your packages and all of your offerings. Do you want to raise prices for next year? You don't have to do it all right now, but now's the time to take a look. Another hot topic is having an all inclusive package. There's a ton of couples going on and searching saying, hey, I'm looking for all inclusive. I'm looking for a place for a one stop shop. If it's something you haven't considered, it definitely takes time and energy to put something like that together. But I want you to consider it, and maybe you've got the downtime to do it right now. Also, during this time, it's time for capital improvements. I know capital improvements on your venue itself are really difficult when the cash flow isn't amazing, but you've got to start thinking about these things in advance to get yourself ready for your fall booking season and your engagement season. So, you got to hoard some of that money in the busy times to be able to do the work during the summer when it's slower months for events. Take a look around your property: landscaping, offerings, furniture, paint. What needs to be touched up, refreshed, modernized? Is there something you need hanging on a wall? Are there some plants you can plant outside? Is the grass in rough shape? You need to go around, and now is the time while you have it to make any of those changes, improvements to your spaces themselves. Last up, my best suggestion is to use the summertime to work through your systems, meaning you can create templates for things like email sales follow ups, or you can write down all the how to's and the way that you do the things that you do within your company. So, hopefully, you're going to keep getting busier and busier and need to hire help, but those how to's will already be created. Start documenting your systems. We like to use either Zoom, or there's a website called Loom, Loom, that we use for screen recording. So I can teach our team how to do things by I do it, screen record it, talk all the way through it. It saves the link, and then we put the link into the library for them to be able to learn. Downtime is a great time to take a look at all the things you've been doing and figure out, how do you do it a little bit better? How can you save yourself time? What are the things that fall to the bottom of the list when you are super slammed and busy with weddings actually happening? Now is the time to take advantage of them, get them done, learn some new things, implement some new things that have been sitting on that someday list as soon as possible. Here's to your continued venue success.